No, that's what they've already. That's what they've already. That's what they've already been trying to do. Like retail traders, they've all been trying to short all this. I don't really have. I don't have faith. I don't not have faith in a good day today, to be honest. I don't know. I just don't. I'm getting off early, probably too. What high? Yeah, it's not there in the continuous, so we could reject anywhere in here. Nah. It's just a low volume high. I did. Experience? You're saying my experience doesn't count? Okay. I mean, on NQ we already hit, on NQM 2023 we hit buy side and did not dump because that high was such low volume that it doesn't really count. That's only for the liquidity voids. Damn it. All I'm saying is I'm not logging. Yeah, I want. Yeah, gold is not doing shit right now. We're engineering a lot of liquidity though. That's what's happening. Engineering a lot of low resistance liquidity here. Yeah, guys, if I were to short, I need a 15-minute structure shift because we're so high right now where a 1-minute structure shift here is not going to do it. Right, I need to see bearish order flow before, like I need to see a shift and then another shift. Right, so nothing yet. Yo, Mike, Aber got wrecked, right? Remember I said he would probably get stopped out, and I was like, yeah, Aber's a good trader, so I don't want to say that, but I bet he's going to get stopped out. You're going golfing, Butters? You doing voice at all, Butters? Okay. There's no way I'm longing this. This is, I would totally be. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, leopard. Imagine we do this leopard. That would give us a really good opportunity. I'm expecting this fair value gap to work, guys. Like I don't know. I'm not longing this. I want it to work, and I want it to bring us down to this low here. I love that. I rode some to 83 last night. Yep, that's why you shorten your price targets for gold. Very smart. I think the thing what you want to do with gold is make these your price targets. These bodies instead of the wicks. That's something I've realized as well. Pro tip for gold: always put take profit below highs or above lows. LOL. Oh, come on, please work. Let's see what ES is doing. ES, there is no short. Okay. ES, not look the greatest. I want us to violate this obviously in ES still. You can see right here, right? This is really algorithmic. Even though I'm expecting this in NQ, it's just important to note that, like, yeah, we didn't close under this on ES. See this? See how algorithmic this is? So really, we did not violate this. Ain't no good music that dropped today. Who even dropped music? So again, because of 3D analysis, this is not something that I have confidence in, but it's something I want to see work, right? 3D analysis being, okay, we're still inside this bullish for rally gap. We still not close beneath it. This is still bullish, okay? So I want to see this violated too. So maybe we get like a Judas swing to the upside of open and then get a short. I'm not sure yet. Just gotta wait and react. Probably about to fail. Again, I'm not surprised. Obviously, I'm expecting this to fail, but just because ES is still bullish. And you can see, look at this. ES is forming low resistance liquidity as well. So this high should boost us up to this high, boosting us up to this high. Michael, the Dow? Oh, YM? Let me check. YM. Okay. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Oh, jeez. Yes. I wish YM was higher. Yeah. Again, here's like a clean bullish fair value gap that it doesn't look terrible, but I still want to take it because I'm not longing. I am not longing. You can see we took out this high. I'm still not longing. If we were really low, I would long this, right? If we were very low right now, I'll long it. Just too high. Does it look textbook? Yes. Am I expecting a short here? Yes, I'm expecting a short here because also you can also see low resistance liquidity here. And I'm hoping this gets violated. Yeah, I'm not sure yet, Butters. We'll see. Please keep dumping. You clearly see this just gets violated. Right, but I'm expecting that to get violated because IFC was too high and still technically if I draw out the mean threshold of this order block, guess when this is this. Right, we never closed above it. So, NQ is more bearish than yes right now. I was gonna do it today, but I'm not gonna be on that long, so probably next week. Why? Yeah, I'll probably do that next week. I keep dumping. Okay, we hit that first price target. How about them Nuggets? Yes, sir. I don't even care who wins, to be honest, but I'm glad the Nuggets. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm just doing the Nuggets from the Nuggets from McDonald's. Yeah, they won yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, they won. It won some like award for the best nuggets in all of fast food chain. The food competition. Yeah, it's like a U.S. thing. That's why we're so fat. Our small soft size drink what? Your mic cut out. I cannot hear you. Okay, now I can hear you again. I still cannot hear you. Damn it, gold. Come on. Why did we not just hit buy side, bro? Now I can't alert this is a 6-hour win on Twitter. Oh, well. Alright. Boom. There's the target for NQ. Who shorted that? Told you. I was like, there's no way this is going to work for long. And we low resistance liquidity. That had the dump, bro. And ES violated the fair value gap. We only hit one of these highs, but we did take out the LR. We just only hit one of the highs, which is fine. I wasn't that short, by the way. I don't know if you can tell, but it was very sloppy short. All right, Euro USD. I low key think I maybe could get a play in Euro USD today. If we get like a long setup from here, I'll alert it. Gold, obviously, I would still be looking for longs. Does not look like we're gonna get any right now. I want to see this fair value get violated. But yeah, the target hit for NQ. And give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. What do you think of Levi? From 850. Oh, from right here. I see. I like it as a real trade. We might reject here though, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I would probably, I'm probably just gonna wait for open. I think this one's gonna work right here because if you look, I mean this candle right here is, I guess we're probably not gonna trade above this, but I mean I don't know. I checked the. My service is trash right now. Nah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. I mean, why would you take that in demo though? Yeah, there's a lot of slippage in this whole zone to take this short. Like, I don't know, but I mean, you can try it. I'm staying out for now. I'm gonna wait till open probably. All right. Well, good luck to you. Hope you bank. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys, again, this technically is a play. We have relative equal lows on NQ. I mean, this is the fair value I could put on NQ, obviously. Relative equal lows on NQ. If you want to wait for market open, you can, but I mean, this is I would say this is a B setup right here. For sure. I don't really like the displacement of this candle. I'm not, like, the reason why I don't like the displacement of this candle, because technically, like, this is a tiny market structure shift, and we created a 1 minute bullish fair value gap here. So, like, I'd move my stop to break even very, very quickly here, because just for the sake of, I could see us bouncing from this and just rocketing. But that's why it would be a B setup for me, right? It wouldn't be an A plus because, you know, even though we have these equal lows, it's just the displacement of the one. This kind of looks bullish here to me. So would have preferred if we kind of went up here and did not create a fair value gap. If we went up to this fair value gap and did not create a bullish fair value gap, I probably would be slapping this right now. But don't really like how he created this fair value gap in between. But I do like these equal lows on NAS. I'll have these marked for later. Maybe we go up and maybe we get like a Judas swing it open, and then we get a short setup, something like that. So that's kind of my plan for now. Maybe use those for later. Yeah, I don't know. This looks, just the 1 minute to me looks bullish here. obviously breaking above this. Candle close is going to be important here. We have these triple equal highs. Where's the breaker? Again, 1 minute just looks bullish to me here. Like, I mean, if this works, it's whatever, but be set up for sure. Maybe we can save these for later and I get a short setup. My target right now would probably... I don't really have a target right now. We're just kind of in the middle of nowhere. I don't really like where we're at. 15 minute looks really ugly. If I ever see wicks like this on the 15 minute, see how this is an inside candle on the 15 minute? And this is an inside candle on the 15 minute. See, it's a 15. I just wait till one breaks out or something, but to me this looks bullish, so looks like we're gonna go for these highs. If we get a confirmation short from this, I'll take it. Obviously, there's no confirmation short yet. Yeah, see, that's why I want to take it. Be set up. Yeah, good call on demoing that. Again, not a... Yeah. Also, look at this. See this? Do you guys know what this is? Does anyone know what this is? Answer now or forever hold your peace. Yes. We got a stack here, and then we cut through this bearish stack. This bearish stack was respected for a little bit, which is why I say it might work. Obviously, I want to take that, but and then you just got orders cutting through a bearish stack, creating a bullish stack, and that's why I was like, yeah, this looks bullish. All right, I'm never gonna fade that. And look at this candle right here. Look at this candle right here. This is live time. You can clearly see how stacked this is. Okay, it's not a stack I take just because I want to wait for open, but it's obviously notice that this is stacked. So all the low resistance liquidity end up being taken out in the end. Footprints just, again, footprint, I use footprints basically to say, okay, I'm still, like, this isn't bullish, or this isn't bearish yet, right? Without footprints, I may have shorted that, but, again, that's, like, something that, okay, footprints are telling me not to short this. If you just see a bunch of, someone who doesn't really have Twitter, he taught me. It was a while back, so I just kind of know from him. Yeah. Alright, so now this is the fair value coupon to be violated because it's stacked. This is stacked long, so it's probably gonna work anyways, but maybe like we do this and then violate it later, and then that's when I will short. And then instead of using targets on ES for this, I will either short on Q or I'll short ES, and I'll use NQ as a price target, being like, okay, I know there's relative equal lows down here. This is what I would short, okay? And I would short on Q, targeting the relative equal lows, using ES as the kind of indication that we're going to get a short. Okay, I like gold still. The reason why I like gold is we're still holding this kind of order block / unfilled fair value gap here. So I want something like this. Oh my god. How did I miss that? I was on the chart. Did anyone catch this? This is literally exactly what I wanted to see happen. You caught that? Damn it. That was textbook. I was on the chart. Remember I said I had it, but I said I wanted to see it violated, and then obviously use it as long setup, right? So you can see in this example, right? It's literally my model. Yeah, I should have watched gold there. Instead of this, right? We close above it, violated exactly what I wanted, and you can see you buy the retest. And then where's your stop loss? Your stop loss is a close below this. Worked perfectly. So hopefully some of you caught that. Again, you should be finding these setups in a lot of time. I literally outlined the plan and said that's what I was looking for. I need this nice low resistance liquidity up here, so I'm hoping we run this high next. And nothing bearish about the NQ lower time frame yet. Still looks good long. You can see obviously this worked like I planned. Alright, it's stacked. There's no way this doesn't work. And we still have an untapped high, and this is an untapped fair value gap. So my guess is we go like this, and then I'll look for another short setup. And then maybe we create like an SMT with NQ or something. There's still a possibility of NQ hitting the highs too, guys. Like, just be aware. Still definitely a possibility of this. I'm hoping we don't, and I'm hoping it's created an SMT, but again, if I see bullish structure and bullish momentum with bullish fair value gaps leading up to this, then I'll say when I think we're going to hit the high, but I can't be confident right now. I think we will hit this high though, and yes. $570. I don't know. I'll reassess maybe. I would think this. If we did not hit the high in the S, I would totally think we're gonna hit this high. Okay. I still think there's a possibility. I'm not leaving this out. I still think this is a good. I think there's still a 60% possibility in my eyes that we hit this high. Do I want us to? No, but I understand that there's still a good possibility to hit this high. Okay, just from what I'm seeing right now. I know we have these relative equal lows, but I don't know. You can kind of see we're violating this a little bit on the 15-minute. Just none of the bearish PD areas being respected. Lower time frames bullish here. So I think there's a 60% possibility we still go up and hit this high. Am I longing it? Nope, I'm not longing it today. I don't care. Alright. I may try a setup. I'm going to try this long on Euro USD. Something like this. Oops. I'll alert it, because why not? I'm only gonna alert it if we can close over this 15-minute fair value gap. I want to see us close above this first. Remind me to come back in 4 minutes. Okay, we're breaking the lower resistance liquidity on gold. Pass it up here. Still no close above this. Yes, kind of stalling a lot. I'm so burnt from yesterday. I went outside with my shirt off for like 3 hours yesterday. I'm so burnt. No, I was playing tennis. And I worked out outside. Alright, now max action here. The fact, so if you look at this hourly, right, the daily looks a lot more bullish than the hourly. The hourly looks like that we could get a possible short setup after this. But again, what time frame is going to trump what? The higher time frame is always going to trump the lower time frame. Again, you never fade the higher time frame. You have to be in sync with the higher time frame. So I'm hoping the daily is going to show us some opportunity where YM does turn bearish. But just from like the daily perspective, you can see right here why would this look bearish is because we're bouncing, or why would this look bullish is because we're bouncing off this daily fair value gap. We never close below it. We have like semi low resistance liquidity above and these relative equal highs, and just again looks bullish. So I want to see if I'm right on NQ. We should see some sort of short form in YM, but if we blast above this, we're probably going to be bullish for the next until next day. Which is fine, but alright, so looks like the 15 minute is not going to close above this, which means I'm not going to take this short. Or I'm not going to take this long. I'll obviously tape read it and see if it works, but yeah, I don't like the condition. I wanted to see it close above this fair value gap, but because it didn't close above, I don't think this is a good long anymore. This is more of a B setup now. If you want to try it, you can. But yeah, that's something ICT never talked about, and it's something I realized it works so much. So gotcha. Yeah, I feel you. Again, this isn't like this still isn't a bad setup. I just would have preferred if we closed above, which we didn't. I'm like almost I'm scared of alerting this because I have like a really good win rate right now, and I don't want to make this like an official alert. And I know 100% win rate is not realistic, so I should alert this even if it's a loss, and people should understand. But I also like probability things, and I think this is like a B setup because we didn't close above the 15 minute. Do I think this is still a bad setup? No, I don't. I think this is still possibly going to work. Your trading robot is short. You have a trading robot? What the hell? Is it profitable? That's actually sick. I want a trading robot. As long as it's profitable. Never have to trade again. Imagine an ICT trading robot. That'd be crazy. I'm still expecting this long to work, by the way, guys. But I don't think it's worth taking. Again, I do not want to. I do not want to. Wow. Okay, so this is obviously doesn't look good for longs anymore. It's kind of just uncorrelated. I'm still expecting this to work. Am I longing it? No. It's kind of stupid to long up here. Damn, that's sick, Leopard. What's it through? So yeah, I'm still expecting this ES long to work. I do notice, if you look at this very, very, very carefully, okay, you can see this green candle actually never closed above this 15-minute fair value gap. So let's say, what does that tell me? It doesn't really tell me much now, but that tells me because this 15-minute never closed above, if we have another 15-minute candle and retrace down to this fair value gap, will this work for a long? Likely not. Do you have it like put a stop at break even every time something happens? Or every time you're up a certain amount? It does itself? Okay. Did you code it? I didn't. I bought it to demo. Oh. So you bought it from like what, Fiverr or some, or where do you buy it? Discord? I don't think there's a lot of profitable trader bots. I know there are some, but you have to be really like, I don't know, you have to have a really good idea of how the market works if you want to code a bot. Again, this is not working as much as I like. Again, do I give a single shit that this is not working? No, because I'm not longing up here. I don't care if it doesn't work or not. I am not longing up here. I've said that multiple times, whether this works or not. It just looks like something that would work. And just keep in mind that 15-minute, right, there's still no close above this. So if I start to see a stump back to this fair value gap, probably not something I take. Or not, I wouldn't take it in the first place, but it's probably something that, okay, this should not work. Jeremy tweeted, just to be clear, if you're trading live funds in front of NFP, you're an idiot. I agree. I don't even think you should be trading live funds today. Am I going to do it? Maybe. I don't know. I gotta see. If we get just because the place where we're at right now we're so high, and if we get a textbook short, I'm not mind it. Oh god, I just missed this. That's whatever. Leopard, you still holding? Cool. Oil swing. Let me check the oil. I just want to post this real quick. Alright. Yeah, oil looks very bullish. If we can close above this daily fair value gap today, I'll look for longs up to this buy side here. Wow, this is shit now. Yeah, I know, Eldrin, so what I'm looking for is these... I have these equal lows marked, okay. If we can get like a short setup at the... Repeat what, Mr. Turner? If we can get a short setup at all, I'll target these. These are going to be a good target, but as of right now, this is bullish still. Nothing bearish about this yet, besides the fact that this did not close under. But the 5 minutes still bullish, the 1 minute still bullish. Yes, 1 minute still bullish. Damn, that's sick, Leopard. I'm looking at that now. It might work. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad setup. That's why I put it in the alerts and I said quality B. I should actually edit that to B+. The only thing, I want to see a 15-minute close above this. If we can hit you here, move yourself to break even. Okay, I like the reaction off of this. Okay, where's South break even now? Would scale half here and then would hold the other half till up here. This is still working as I'm expecting. Do I give a shit? Nope. Not in this. But I'm expecting it to work. There's a difference. Beautiful reaction off the 5-minute fair value gap. Wow, dude. Keep going up, please. We need to hit the buy side. Okay, this is where you scale half on your USD. Wait, who long this fair value gap on gold did I mark? Or did anyone like chase it a little bit? Twice options, nice. Yeah, again, that was a good fair value gap right there, because mainly because yes, we did displace under this low, but we also just did not displace under this low, and you can see we bounced off fair value gap here. So it was an unbalanced fair value, it was an unfilled fair value gap. So that's why I was still looking for longs, and it's a buy bottle, right? We should hit this buy side. Yes, is almost at the target. Bro, I'm literally I'm gonna buy another funded account and just trade gold probably. Like, this is so nice, dude. Yeah, an Apex probably. I mean, I don't really want to risk a personal account with gold, because what if I lose? I'm gonna lose more than what I would lose with trading indexes. So I think it would just be smarter to just have a whole separate risk management thing for gold and a separate account size. It's GC1. And where you can just trade. I just watch this chart because I think this is the cleanest. And then you just watch, and then you just trade it based on what? It's GC1, I think. Or whatever, something like that. And I'm gonna keep giving out these alerts because these are clean. Alright, there's the ES high. Again, so was I expecting this to work? Yes. Or is it too high to long? Yes, I'm not taking this. 2 times your eval fee back if you pass? Wow, okay. Well, yeah, there it is. So, no SMT, unfortunately. This high is taken out. Like I said, there's a 60% probability that the high would be taken out, which is more than 50%. So, I'm still looking for a short setup. I am not longing up here. 637 points on NQ. Damn. No, I was just in a swing from like a while ago. I don't know. Alright, this is where we just wait and I don't long, and longs are probably going to work because I'm saying that, but... Yeah, this is where we gotta wait for like a higher time frame shift. This is way too bullish still. Alright, there's not... Yeah. Sorry, I was typing in that index commentary. Alright, so this is where you just watch. Alright, this is where, let's see, oops. What the hell? Why is it doing that? What the hell? Why is it doing that? Can I not go on this? Like what? Am I stupid right now? Okay, there you go. Alright, I call this the I'm not longing. So I'm just gonna buy a contract and see what happens on demo. I call this the I'm not longing uptrend monster train. The reason why I'm doing this, guys, you're probably wondering, why am I doing this? Because if we keep going up, I would be like, oh, I wish I was long. So I'm just doing it. So I'm doing this for the fact that I hope this gets wrecked. Because I do not want us to pump here. I really want to be bearish, but obviously this is way too bullish. So I call this the, okay, I'm not longing, but I see we're pumping like a idiot, and idiots are longing right now, and just to not get FOMO, I'm just gonna do this and see if it actually keeps going up. And I hope this fails because it'll make me feel better. I remember the one day as a joke. I was like, "Oh, long here," and it literally went like 50 points after, and I didn't even take it, and it was like a joke though. Hell no, I am not longing this in a real account. Hell no, bro. When I say, wait, listen. I just want to make this clear. If I say, "Oh, I'm demoing this trade," and it's an actual setup, like yesterday was an actual setup, then yeah, there's a chance I'm actually taking that real, but I'll just say it's demo. Okay, if I'm doing something like this where this isn't even a play, I'm not in my. Do you really think I would actually buy this on a real account? Hell no. It has to be an actual setup, guys. Like it's got to be an actual setup. This is not an actual setup. This is just me. Like, oh, we're pumping. This might work for long. It's like, okay, this is not a good actual setup. Yeah, I know. Oh, gold hit the stop loss, unfortunately. And at least it went like what? 4 points? Yeah, it wasn't bad. It went 4 points. You guys who got stopped, you scaled some, right? Yeah, none yet, Ranos. I need this to hold for Euro USD. Void at 261. Alright. Still looks bullish, dude. I need us to do something here. Maybe reject this daily volume balance. Like, I want to be bearish on this part. You can't really be bearish here yet. This has got to hold. What? Super in the high? What's Moto? Wait, keep talking, Levi. Yeah, I suppose. See, this is stupid. Why is this working? This should not be working right now. Like, this is why I do this. If we hit this high, move my stop, break even. Wow, this is absolutely wild. Because, dude, this looks so bullish. Like, YM looks so bullish. Ah! 10-point play. Who took on the real account? Ah! Alright, I'm moving my stop to break even. Bro, I told you these shitty plays work. Like, why do these shitty plays work, dude? I called that. I'm a real market maker. Tweeting this on my Twitter right now. Subscribe to my Patreon. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna go south breaking in probably. If we hit 4275, I'm gonna get out of NQ. So this black line. Yeah, Patreon's going up to $100 after this play. Oh my god, dude! Why do these shitty plays work? Something I find funny. If you think about it, if you just buy or sell in the middle of nowhere, what is the chances that you buy or sell top? Right? It's not very likely. What are the chances? Like, there's a slim chance I just bought top there. Like, you guys realize that, right? If you really think about it from like a statistical perspective, the chances you actually buy or sell top is very rare. So, like, at least you should expect is 10 points or something. Like, especially with a big stop. Like, it's like, I don't know, it's weird. I told you guys I call this. No, this this is too funny, man. This is why I just long. I could have longed yes and just got away. Like, you could get away with longing yes. That's crazy. Alright, 2 more points. Dude, I don't get this. This makes me feel better. Because it's like, yeah, I'm not taking this on an actual account, and I didn't. But, like, it makes me feel better being like, oh, well, you could just chase up here and it works because this market's dumb. Buy in the middle of nowhere. Yes, that's the plan. We just bought in the middle of nowhere, basically. I had a talent in my beginnings. I had a talent calling tops and bottoms in the wrong direction. I noticed a fast counter your own strategy, and it worked. Yeah, I actually know. I do that to some people's callouts too, still. But it makes no sense. That must be a mindset thing. If you legit can long top and bottom every time. Like, if you can legit long top and bottom every time, that is very hard to do. You cannot just long and you cannot long and short top, right? That's hard to do because if you think about it, that's basically if you do the opposite, it would work every time. Okay, there's like me getting south of break even. So it's like, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. I should have longed yes there. Wow, this is so bullish. Oh my god, dude. All right, I'm glad I got stopped out there because this is what should have happened. Okay, what's happening right now is what should have happened. Would I long this? Absolutely not. This is what I wanted to happen. We didn't hit that 4175. This is just a random line. I mean, whether it's this high or not in the 4 hour, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be that significant. Yeah, this is a weekly BPR. I'm averaging down on my SQQQ here probably. 2170. So this is what I wanted to happen. Thank God. Thank God we didn't keep going up. That would annoy me so much. Alright, we're back inside this fair value gap. Hell no, I would never long this, ever. This fair value gap. Yeah, alright. And we have relative equal lows. Yeah. I think these are going to be the draw, probably. Damn, my SQQQ just went 20 cents on that. Holy shit. Thank God we didn't keep going up. Thank you. Oh my God, but it's snowing. Alright, we're back inside this fair value gap on ES2. Okay, I would not take this. It does look textbook, but we've relative equal lows on NQ, so I want these equal lows on NQ. Alright, let's see if we get like a confirmation sort of set up here. Again, you can't blindly short this yet. If you notice, we actually did close beneath this fair value gap, so let's see. I don't like how we're bouncing from this. Too risky to take. If we get a confirmation set up from here, I'm going to take it. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. All right, give me something, please. And this is where I would expect the confirmation setup to form. Butters, are you still in here? This is like, are you looking for a confirmation setup of me? Hey, good job. Were you gonna look for a confirmation setup if I said anything? If I didn't say anything? Alright, good. I missed it. I got you. Alright, let's see if we get it. By the way, guys, I bet you this is gonna work. There's no way this doesn't work. Obviously, the result is horrible, but obviously you want the cleaner setup here. No, but this is the play. Like, there's no way this doesn't work right now. If you have a very wide risk management, like, I don't know, then yeah, you could take this, but is that stupid? Kind of. I mean, if equal lows here now, I'd rather wait for like the small short confirmation setup, you know? You know? Alright, if you chase, put your stop to break even here. We want these equal lows, obviously. Please put your stop to break even if you chase this. I know a few of you did. Nah, this is definitely a real trade, Mr. Turner. There's no way this shit's not hitting. Again, like, just because this volatility, like, this volatility is great. Okay, that means this is where you look for a short confirmation. Volatility is awesome. I'm watching, I'm on my brother's options account. 0 DTEs just went 100%, bro. That's crazy. Okay, need NQ. I need ES to keep dumping here to this low. Please just knife me here, please. Sold a lotto call for 266%. Damn. Wait, what do you mean? You, bro, look at, wait, what is it now though? Like, what's it sitting at now? Is it back to break even? No? Oh, it's still up? Okay. Damn it! I just got stop my runner at break even. Fuck. Alright, well I got stop my runner at break even. I'm still waiting for a confirmation short setup, obviously. This is still, if we get like a confirmation short from up here, I'll alert it. Well, that sucks. Obviously, I know a lot of you probably chased that. Again, I just got stopped to break even. It is what it is. Can't do anything about it. Still think we're gonna hit this low. Just gotta respect your stop there. Damn it, I really just got top tick stopped. Are you kidding me? No way. Come on, bro. That's fine. I'm not chasing this again. I don't care. Alright, well, I'm just gonna chill. Are you serious? Alright, I'm chilling here. I'm gonna wait. If we get a textbook set up, I'll take it. If not, I'm not touching anything. Watch that void all day. Okay, yeah, I see the void. That's crazy. This is what I wanted to happen this morning. I didn't think we were gonna pump. We pumped like an extra 30 points farther than I thought we would pump. Just crazy. Maybe back to the 2 minute. Is a 2 minute fair value yet? Yeah, maybe. This is it's a 5 minute fair value gap. So it's a 5 minute fair value gap. Obviously, we would not take this. Okay, why would you not take this? It's because there's equal lows below, but you're still gonna get some sort of reaction off of it, you know. Okay, this low should hit on ES. Come on. Okay, there's the low in ES. Obviously, I want us to break it still. So now you have double or equal lows here in ES. It looks like we're forming a bit of low resistance liquidity here on NQ. Don't know when it's gonna break yet. Footprints aren't really showing me that much. Still holding this fair value gap, okay? I really want to see us slice through this fair value gap. The only reason I'm not chasing again is because of this fair value gap. If this fair value gap wasn't here, I'd totally chase this again. Because I think that would be a good chase. But, I mean, there's a fair value gap here, so not really smart in my opinion. Still just holding. Looks like we're engineering liquidity almost to the upside now too. A little low resistance liquidity up here now. So we could pump here. Obviously we've equal lows, so it's not something you long, but it's just something to keep in mind. Pretty uncorrelated. There's low resistance liquidity to the upside here in ES. And there's low resistance liquidity to the downside in NQ. If I had to say gun to my head, I would guess we're gonna break this and hit this. Because why? Well, because these are relative equal lows, so they're going to be extremely strong. But yeah. Please just go a little more. There's equal lows, low resistance liquidity don't break. So I was right on where we'd go, right? Again, the one with the relative equal lows are gonna trump it. And everyone get out here. Boom, good trade. I know a lot of you took that. I'm all out here. Alright. So, there we have it, folks. I'm all out here. Beautiful trade. That was easy as fuck. Alright. Bro, there's no way that's... I told you. There's... Did you hear the confidence in my voice? I was like, there's no way this fails, dude. Even, like, there's no way. There's no way. We're so high. I was expecting a short to work all morning. Went higher than I expected. Relative equal lows. There's no way. Okay. Okay. So we got that. I think it could be a trend day down even. I would not be surprised if it's a trend day down to like even this. I think this low is the next possibility. Sometimes you don't need to wait for a confirmation setup if you're like 100% confident. That's just an experience. Like, honestly, I don't know. There's just no way that didn't work, dude. If that worked, I would have been pretty mad. All right. So do you guys? Yeah, I think we still go lower. All right, SQQ is back down 1%. Went from 5% to 1%. Wow. So I want this low. We'll see what I don't know what SQQQ will be at when we get there. If you just bought an SQQ today, when I said that, you should be up about 2% already. All right. I should have just full ported that, bro. Nah, like no, not on a personal account. Like on a, I should have just bought a funded account and done that. Well, unfortunately, gold has hit the stop loss for a runner if you guys still am, but I'm still looking for a long setup here in gold. I want to see this violated now, and then uses the inverse. Yeah, again, if you guys waited for the bigger retrace on that, that's fine. It doesn't, like, there's nothing you can do about that. Okay, you gotta realize you're listening to my experience. Okay, how many times do you think I've seen this happen? Like, I've seen this happen. Like, this is probably my 5th time seeing this. And just based off this candle, where we just totally disrespect this, look how quickly I posted. Okay, sell side index commentary. Like, look how quickly I posted at 9:47 just based off of right there. Okay. Just based off that candle, and I immediately posted it because I've seen this happen so many times now, right? That's just more of an experience thing where I would not really expect us to even get up here, you know? I don't know. That's a screen time thing. All right. You short every pump after hitting liquidity and it always works. So yeah, that's what we call turtle souping. All right. This is a fair value gap where you wouldn't take it, obviously. Okay. Why? Because we just hit these equal lows, so pretty stupid to take. Well, and we have low resistance liquidity here. As much as I want this to reject, I don't think it will because it's low resistance liquidity, but I mean, it's fine. There's no way. Like, this is the hourly candle. That's crazy. So, yeah, Matzi, I just shorted that. Matzi, no. Alright, listen. You can see the 4-hour candle just opened at 10 a.m. Why did... Like, you can see... When did we hit the low? We hit this low at 9:58, 9:59, 10 o'clock. Here's the 10 o'clock candle. Like, we hit it right before, like right when the 4 hours about to close, because now based off this 4-hour close, this looks very bearish to me. And they close it right before this 4-hour candle closes. What if this 4-hourly candle closes up here and then the next candle dumped? Well, then that would mean, oh, well, we still might be bullish. So now, I definitely look for short setups. Um, 10 what? No. What? No, we have low resistance liquidity. So they wouldn't short this. And we just hit the sell side. So yeah. If you want to short, this is like a C minus setup right here. I mean, we just bounced off this for a rally gap, right? We held this on ES, and we have low resistance liquidity to the upside. So why would this short work for a short? You know, so Euro got stopped break even. I forgot to mention this. I was a little busy doing something else, but so you can see why we take profits and internal liquidity just for Euro, right? You can see even though I wanted these relative equal highs, okay, you still got to take profits because a high like this is just a really obvious high, and it's just a good spot to take profit. So. What is YM? Wow. Jesus Christ, YM. That sucks. See how I'm like. See how the YM is making me mad right now? Because, well, if you, what would I say about this chart right now? Yeah, exactly. This is very bullish. So yeah. I made your day? What do you mean? How did it make your day? Again, this to me is a C minus setup. Okay, even if this works, this is low resistance liquidity. Would not short this. I don't know. I just not really, because it's low resistance liquidity. Yeah, again, this is a short where I have so much screen time that I've seen these fail a lot. You shorted on Q? Good. Yeah, that was a very easy short on Q. I remember this morning, right? What did I say? I said this. I said I'm bearish today. I'm looking for possibly, I said there could be a Judas swing up and open, and I said mark these equal lows for later. And I said and if you look in index commentary, I said, so we just hit highs on a Q, so there's no way I'm longing way too high. What I like to see here is a 15-minute short setup. 1 minute short up is way too small of a time frame. Okay, if you look at the 15-minute, right, this 15-minute candle is just huge, and even the 5-minute. So because of the 1 minute displacement, right, this is basically like a 15-minute, right? There's just so much displacement. This is not a low risk buy. You should break up here. But, you know, this is enough displacement. This is the displacement I need to see, not this little tiny, like some days we get this tiny ass retracement, like tiny ass cells or whatever. They do not work. You want to see candles like these. Anyways, and I said, mark these equal lows for either later today or Monday, but we will see some bearish until we see some bearish order flow. And obviously when we see candles like this is now a bearish order flow, right? You can just tell by the. Another thing, you guys, I can't show you now because it already happened. If you go back in the replay mode, which you can't do, you got to run like TOS on demand. and you watch the speed and just how fast these candles form, that was the other indication. And that's another thing a lot of people don't talk about. Just the speed these formed with. I was like, there's no way like we don't hit these lows now, because these form so fast, they close really nicely. The speed was another indication that we're going to hit those lows, okay? And that's like the other thing. And I can't show that in live time anymore, or I can't go in hindsight and show that. You just gotta, I just watch these live and I watch them form with a lot of speed, right? So that tells me now this is the draw, okay? And, you know, that's another whole thing that people don't talk about, the speed at which things are formed. So, and then that's when I mark sell side. Again, ES, my target right now is probably this high. See why you want to short this? And now there's an order block here. So, again, that's why you don't short that. This is a little more for you guys with a lot of experience, but someone, this is not my idea, but someone in this other group chat said, why I'm bouncing here makes me want to short tech and Q, because that's just like a experience thing, right? That means money's rotating, and I'm not super experienced with that, but I mean, that's a valid point. Alright, so there's the target for yes. See, told you this won't work for a short. Alright. I didn't see his thing. One second. Did I even take this long? Oh, y'all did. Damn, nice. Yeah, that was a textbook long. You should be able. I would not hold past this high. I know we could go higher, but I don't know. I want to hold past it. Too risky. Right here. 10, 12. All right, would you guys long this in chat? Let me know. Everyone say something. Everyone respond. Why would you not long this? Yes, exactly. Good job. Okay. Even though you went along this, if this works, I wouldn't be surprised. Why is there still a possibility of this working? Because if you look at NQ right here, NQ is kind of lagging a little bit. So if NQ still got more room up, which was going to make this work. Okay, but I still went along this. But yeah, just because of how low NQ is, there's still definitely more room up on this, which means this is probably going to work. Not gonna lie, but still something I went along. All right. Let's see. And obviously, you wouldn't have shorted this. You guys don't know why you wouldn't have shorted this, right? I think I explained it clearly. Yeah, exactly. Sell side was taken, and we had low resistance liquidity above. So, Levi, draw the 957 fair value gap. Right, I said I want to have shorted it. Draw it out, and then look at the candle close. 1010, we closed above it, and then what do? You long the inverse. Right. So you should reverse your position as soon as we violated that and closed above it. That's the long. Oh, yeah, you're good. Yeah. Ryan model for 5 points. Very nice. Very nice. I'm still looking for a long setup in 4 hour because we're at an order block right now. And it's a... I'll be upset if we don't get one. Nah, not yet. I wanna see this 5-minute gap violated. All right, look at the 5-minute gap. 5-minute bearish fair value gap. I want to see this violated. Because this dump was so big, I don't really care. I don't want to go in the 1 minute after this because this is big on the even on the 5-minute. You know. Would I take the NQ long if it returns to the BISI? Hell no. I'm not longing up here. Besides this is more of a scalp. All right, look what's happening. Do you guys see why I'm taking this now? Yes, but yes, if I was not done for the day. But no, because I'm done for the day. I do not need to trade anymore. I'm green. Alright. Is that a breaker forming on Q? Let's see. Well, this would be a breaker if we broke above it right now. So yeah, I guess. You muted me, Pips? That's not good. Have you literally missed my whole commentary all day today? What do you say? Yeah. Dude, why am... Oh, wait. Okay, why am dumping a little bit. This is good. Alright, so... If I'm being completely honest, okay? If I'm being honest, I probably would... If you're green, don't touch this. If you want to try it light, you can. But if I'm being completely honest, I do not love this. Okay, just, I don't know. Intuition a little bit. NQ is still, looks like it's going to pump. So that being said, I would probably not short this. And that's just an intuition thing. I don't know. That's just, I can't really explain it. But yeah, that's just me. Yeah, not gonna lie. And I'm green for the day too, so there's no point. It could still work, right? You could take this if you want. Okay, I'm not saying you can't take it. All right. If you take it, your stop loss is a close above this, right? It is a setup. It is a setup. You guys got to realize this is a setup. Your stop loss would be where? It'd be a close above the inverse fair value gap. Okay. I don't know. Just don't love it. It's not a setup I would never take. I would obviously take this sometimes, even if I didn't. If I didn't trade today, yeah, I'd probably try this light. But I'm agreeing today I'll try it. But yeah, I don't know. NQ is definitely lagging a bit here. I kind of. It does look like we are engineering liquidity down here now, which is good. So, okay, this is working. Very nice. Obviously, if we hit this, we were south to break even. Like I said, didn't love this. Okay, still a setup, and I'd still give it like a B, right? Yeah. When I say you can take this if you want, right? I just said you can take this if you want. That's usually means it's like a B setup. I like how Bingo is spotting the code words. It's like, yeah, you can take this if you want. Bingo knows the code words. Alright. NQ just bounced on this. So if you took this, I would probably move your stop to break even. Nah, yeah, I'd probably move your stop to break even now. Okay, where'd your target be? Probably like down here. And then after that, like you probably scale half here, and then you just target down this low. Okay, this would be like 6, 4. This would be 8 points. This would be 16 points down here. When he says I'm taking this a demo, B minus setup. Honestly, a demo can be a B setup. Sometimes I'll just demo because I don't. I'm green. I don't want to take a real count trade. It just depends. So, obviously 50-50 spot here for NQ. Okay, higher time frame is bearish. I want 4-hour candles bearish. So I'm expecting this to get violated, and I'm expecting this to work because the higher time frame. But on the lower time frame, you can still tell it's kind of 50-50. Higher time frame makes it a little not 50-50, makes it a little more probable for the short side to work. Even ES, right? ES, we just took this buy side, right? We know you wouldn't have long this. Really stupid long. Also, I just want to point out that, remember how I say, like, even if you did long this, when do you put your stop to break even? You put your stop to break even when you hit internal liquidity. You can see right here we hit internal liquidity. Right here, you would put your stop to break even, and look what happens. It would hit your break even stop, and if you didn't put your stop to break even, you still would have gotten stopped out anyways, probably. So that's why I say that. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, what? Who gives a fuck? It's gonna repeat tomorrow. It's gonna repeat Monday, bro. Who cares? It's gonna repeat. It's gonna repeat on Monday. Okay, so you can see, right? Because of the higher time frame, this is okay. This is 50-50, but higher time frame, like I said, definitely makes this not 50-50. Like, makes this a little more probable for the short side to work, right? Did I say I would be expecting this to be violated? Yes, I did, right? Just because the higher time frame, and I'm not longing, I would just expect this to work, and I would expect this to get violated. So from this target, if you did take it, it did hit the 5-handle target. It did not hit this target, unfortunately. It did hit the 5 handles, though. So, I mean, you can hold if you want. I wouldn't really know what to do here, to be honest. I think it's up to you at this point in your risk management. I don't know who took this and who didn't, but would definitely want to see this respected now. I've seen that you don't take it because we hit internal sell side here, but would want to see it respected still. I'm probably going to be on here for probably like 15 more minutes. Just from the ES, it looks like there's going to be a lot of distribution up here. So it might take a while for us to get something. 15-minute looks trash right now. We're inside this range. I just want to wait to see what happens. Alright, as much as I don't want to say this, it does look like we are forming more low resistance liquidity. And we held this low. We barely displaced below it. So, still not mega bearish yet. You can see, why does this fail? Right, because we hit internal sell side. So even though I want to see it work, not something you take because you want to see it hit internal sell, or because we hit internal sell side. So all right, well, I'm going to stop commentating here. Don't want to commentate too much. You can see like how even the 1 minute I keep changing. Like, right, I was like, I don't know if this is gonna work. And this is something I still want to take in. Okay. Look what's happening right now. If I had taken this, like you can just tell from price action right now, we already traded back up into this. Ideally, you want to see us just hit this and go just boom, down. Did that happen? No. Okay, so like I said, a little intuition. I still think there's a chance we go up a little higher. So that's why I didn't really take this. Did it work for a scalp? Yeah. Did it not hit the target? No. And that's why I say, if you're green, just stop trading. I don't think it's worth it. Next spot I'll look for long in euro is probably right here. Again, I'm gonna get off in like 10 minutes. I think if you're green, just get off. Stop watching this. Very, very good day today. A minus setup as if he says it's a B or B minus. Bruh. Mr. Trader, how do you do today? No trades? Okay, it's fine. Too many things around you? Oh, like in your daily life? Gotcha. So we re-hit this high. Remember what I say. If we have low resistance liquidity, the least you expect is this high. Obviously, this would be the final target, but still a possibility dumping after hitting this high, for sure. I said I would stop commentating. Forget you ever heard that, because I don't know what's gonna happen next. This is where you just wait. Yo. Really? Bro, I shot so bad last time I golfed. I shot like a 56 on 9, dude. And a 109 and 18. I was horrible. I shot like a 45 last year a couple times, and I kept slicing everything. I changed my swing. So, yeah. Yeah, it was kind of boring, but oh my god. So, remember what I said? What did I just say? Yeah, exactly. Good listening. Does everyone know what I just said? Okay. What I just said is I said I'll stop doing commentary, but I couldn't help myself. Low resistance liquidity, right? The final target's here, but just because of the higher time frame, right? I said there's still a chance we dumped after hitting this high. And just because we hit the high, obviously this looks textbook, but because of this high, more of a B setup here. Okay, am I longing up here? No, I've said I'm not longing up here multiple times. I do not want to long here. Okay, we just hit this inversion fair value gap right here. I don't care. I'm not longing it. You can if you want to, but I'm not. I can't. I'm not longing. Say it loud and clear for the people in the back. I'm getting off in like 5 minutes, so. Today was pretty good. Today's probably one of the better days I've seen in the last 2 weeks. If I were to tell you to pass a funded account right now, like if no, I'm not saying that. Never mind. That's really idiot. I know some of you are gonna do that. No. No, dude. I'm not saying it. Hell no. I'm gonna shut up. No, I'm not saying it. What do you like? Oh my god. No. Press 69 if you want me to say it. We need 69 69s. No, I'm not saying it. I'm sorry, guys, I can't. Bum 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 bum. I ain't saying it. What do you guys think I was gonna say? I'm not making it clear what I was gonna say. All right, good. So half you think long, half you think short. So I'm glad I didn't give it away. I'm not. You think long, Butters? Okay. Well, here, I'll text you. I'm texting Butters. What the hell? What the hell? Is this a TikTok dance? No, Dylan. I don't need extra graphics right now. Alright, texted Butters. I'm on Team Butters for longs. Look at my Snapchat. You guys have no idea what I said. Who's on team no trades? Who's on team no trades? Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see. Bro, why are you trading QQQ? Go on NQ. No, it's not. Good video. Oh, did you guys watch that video I did yesterday? Yeah, gold held the 4-hour OB or still holding. Yeah, I want to see this violated. Yeah, I'll look for long setup from here for sure. Bro, you guys don't even know what I said. Bro, the play hasn't even played out. Be patient. Yeah. Yeah, this is... You're talking about a scalp, bro. Yeah, I'm talking about the higher time frame, my boy. Yeah, but I can visualize what the 15 looks like. John. That meme. Yo, what's up, Metsy? All right. What? Okay, I'm gonna say this. No, I'm not saying it. Never mind. No, I'm not saying it. I'm dumbass. I'm not saying it. All right. Look for a confirmation short out of this. If you're really bored and you still want to trade, look for a confirmation short out of this. This is where I'd want something like, let's see. If you come up to here, get like a higher low, maybe like an SMT or something, and then that's where I'd short, like that. No confirmation set up, do not take it. But yeah, that's where I'd look for it. And then I'd want ES to hit high day again, maybe like an SMT, so ES hits high day, and then we get a short from here from NQ. Either way, it doesn't matter. But that's what I do. All right, I'm gonna get off now before I say anything stupid. Bro, what the hell? Dude, who is that? No, what? Bro, who is that? Oh my god, dude. Alright. Alright. Yeah, should hit high of day, boop, 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 Alright. Bro, if you guys are still in here, what are you doing? You know Butters from Twitter? Yeah, you do, Metsy. It's literally Butters from whatever. You already at TakeProfit on the 25K funded? Very nice. You like my voice? Okay. Thank you, I guess. But I need the last. Yeah, just do one MNQ and sell it. Alright, there's ES high day. We should break it, and then maybe we get like an SMT. And then I'll look for a confirmation short right here. But again, it must be a confirmation short. Thank you, Hit Eternal. Again, if we get this short set up on NAS, okay, just know that this will be an SMT. It's already kind of an SMT anyway, so why I'm hitting the high, but an SMT would give us more confluence. Damn. Damn, Bobby. I'm just looking at that post. Okay, there's IQ high, or there's ES high day, so that target hit. Now you just wait. Bobby, don't you have to make like don't you have to make a certain amount on that? Like, don't you have to do that constantly every single day? Yeah, it's gotta be like consistent, which is fine. Yeah, boom yes. Whoever, thank you for saying boom yes for me. In hindsight, you can see I probably should have taken this. Do you guys see why my intuition was saying not to take this? Right, even though this worked, I was like, yeah, I don't think it's gonna, like, I don't think it's ultimately gonna work, right? Being, I don't think we're gonna dump too far from it. I thought we were gonna go back to at least these highs. But yeah, I'll do the same. Would I long this for a value gap? Nope. You shorted on Q there, nice. All right, 50-50 low versus sell, but want to take it. Why? Because we're delivering from a bullish for a value gap. So definitely in a spot I do not want to trade right now. That being said, I'm done for the day. And yeah, it was nice to see you all. I would see you Monday. The only thing I'll say is if we violate this, I will look for a short. Now, this still is a lower sell. Just want to take it because why? Because we're delivering from a bullish fair value gap. If we're delivering from a bullish fair value gap, that means I think we're going to go back and hit this high, and this is not going to work. Okay. These are the types of trades that take off stream and I lose, so I just don't take them. I try not to. But anyways, that's it for me. I'll be back Monday. I'll do a video today. And yeah, you guys know my game plan and index commentary. But yeah, it was an amazing day today. You should all be green, I'm hoping. Obviously, you're not all green because if that was the case, then everyone would be profitable, which is not the case. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.